All right, the EVO. Where did it go? Well, it's back. We had all kinds of other things that we had to do, a lot of customer work, but we really want to get back into this thing because we're going to make some big changes. So some of the things that make this car what it is we have a 1500 horsepower twin turbo Texas Speed LS that lives in this car. And then the body kit we made, and it's actually something that we're going to be producing, and we're working with a mold maker right now. So that's part of the reason why this thing has kind of disappeared for a bit, because we've been working on getting some of these parts and making them available to you to try to build your own EVO. So we're going to have some videos on some of that process too, so watch out for that, and we hope to have that done pretty soon. You probably noticed the motor's out, so a lot of the changes that we're going to do are actually under the hood. So we're doing a bunch of new reinforcing under the hood, make it easier to put the motor in and out. I'm changing some steering components. We're going to go to electric power steering, add a little bit of steering angle to it, so that's one of the big things. We also have an air jack system from New Performance that we got to get in here that I've had for a while. I feel bad, sorry guys, we're going to get on that right away. And I've converted the car to a dry sump system. So in upcoming videos, we're going to get all that kind of stuff in it. We're going to get it back together, we're going to get it out and start playing with it. And then we're going to do a proper build bio, but that's probably a few episodes out because there's a fair amount of work to getting this thing back together to where I want it to be. So pay attention. Not pay attention. Watch the videos.
Yeah, watch the videos.
Make this make sense for us. So
yeah.
Watch the videos and keep an eye out for the upcoming ones, because you're going to get to see what's inside this thing, what's underneath of it, and where we hit everything and how we put it together.
And what's happening when we hit 5,000 subscribers.
I'm going to beat the shit out of it.
Nice. So if you want to see him pretty much beat the crap out of this thing, you know what to do.
Like and subscribe.
Exactly.